back to my channel, Megan Victoria. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I do the exact same intro in every video, but I guess that's good consistency, I don't know. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Megan Victoria. Today, I am so feeling my mermaid vibes. I literally threw on a bathing suit and all for this vibe. So today, I'm gonna be showing you how we get this look, but also the products that were used to achieve it. So NYX Cosmetics came out with a line called I Love You So Mochi, and they sent me a couple products so I can show you guys. Well, like, it's my choice to show you because they're pretty freaking bomb. So I was like, I wanted to play, and then I didn't know I would like love our look like this much. So then I was like, well, now I gotta talk about it. So they sent me the electric, it's like pastel electric pastel palette. So that's that guy. I'm trying not to get it to reflect. Let's just talk about like the products for a quick second. So this is the I Love Mochi electric pastels palette. So you've got 10 shades of these like gorgeous like pastel bright colors. Like, it's a very interesting concept, and I actually used to say I love like neon pastels. So I'd be like, what's your favorite color? And I'm like, I love like really light shades but then like really bright. So it kind of is funny like how things, you know, work out. But anyway, so we've got a bunch of like warm tone colors, we got some cool tones, and we got this like poppy yellow, which is so great, hence the poppy yellow. And I really like, I think I used every color to create this look. Actually, I used all the colors. I went in. So this is a really interesting formula. So it's very like bouncy, and it's like your finger kind of like presses into it. It's like very pillowy, and it's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of the colors for you. So obviously this purple is fun. We got this rose gold tone, got this green tone. What else can I swatch? And I'll show you the yellow. Okay, so those are them right there. So you can see there's like a lot of pigment in these little guys. They've been wearing really well. I did do a look the other day, but my camera wasn't working, so I wasn't able to like film it, so I just did it on Instagram Live. But today we got to create this look, and I just super love it. So before we get right into this, I want to talk about one more thing. So they came out with a line of 8. Yes, there are 8. I had 6. I was like, where'd the other 2 go? But I did find them before filming. So of these powder puff lippies, and I actually just thought everyone was calling them lippy because that's like the thing, but they're actually called lippy. So these are the powder puff lippies. They come in 8 shades. There's actually a really good shade range. Like, it's not skin tone, but you know, it is a good shade range because there definitely is a color for everyone. There's like some nudes, there's some browns, there's a plum, there's a bright red, there's this insane pink. We actually used this pink on the eyes today to really get like that intensity there. But I'm really a big fan. So the one I'm wearing right now is I'm wearing this one. This one's called Best Buds. Of course I'm wearing like the neutrally peachy one, but it's so beautiful. And then on top of that, I actually put this little guy right on top to just really kind of give it a little bit of shimmer and kind of get that mermaid vibe. But anyway, these are like the weirdest formula ever, but they're the coolest. So they go on your lips like a very comfortable matte. Now, I hate matte lipstick. Everyone knows that. I freaking hate it. I'm like gloss and gloss and gloss and add more shimmer and gloss. But these are really, really beautiful. So these are like, I don't even know how to describe them. There's honestly, I haven't used a product that's like this. They push in this little applicator, and then you put them on, and it's like a cloud is on your lips. They are like really moisturizing. Like, they don't dry down dry. They still stay moisturized. I've had this on for about like 20 minutes now. And it's like, it's completely dry, but it's so soft. It's like, these are more comfortable than lip balms. Like, they're the weirdest freaking formula. There is nothing like them, but they are such a cool product. I definitely think everyone should at least give these a go. They honestly are very long lasting as well, so longevity is really great. Like, I'm really not worried. I wouldn't say this is like a full review. I'd say this is more like a first impression. Like, I tried it the other day, and then I was like, okay, this is great, but I want to try it again. And now I'm like, I really like this. I also really like this color. This is a very Megan color. So this is Best Buds. So I guess let's do some swatches on my fake tan arms. Okay, so I'll do this. So this is Best Buds. That's like the perfect shade. Then we've got, wow, I'm like an actual YouTuber. We've got, this one is Squad Goals. So it's a little bit more mauve-y, pulls a little bit more of that purple tone. Then this one looks fun. I think I'll like this one. This is Puppy Love. Very like peachy pinky. And then this one Oh, that's different. That's not how I thought I was gonna swatch. Interesting. This one's Moody. That's a cool color. That's an interesting color. I like that. Then this crazy one here, which I have on my eyes, is Teenage Dream. These names are super cute. That's like a bright poppin' pink. Like, you want a bright poppin' pink? NYX got you covered, girl. Okay, and then this guy, this one's really pretty. I'm actually excited to see this one. This one's Cool Intentions. Oh, that's nice. That has like, what is my swatches doing? They're like going in, that's weird. But that's really pretty. That's like a brown, but it's still got a little bit of a purple undertone. I really like that. And then this guy is Pop Quiz. Nice, like deep kind of berry shade. Won't probably wear that a lot, but it's there. And then this one is in Group Love. Okay. I feel like with all these names, it probably is about, you know, friendship, but I'm just gonna be dirty and call it an orgy name. Okay, so those are the swatches of the Powder Puff Lippies. They are so nice, and like they dry down, guys. It's kind of crazy, but they really do dry down. All right, guys, so I know I talked quite a bit, but I just did want to let you know about these new products because like I'm impressed. I think they're pretty cool. My eyes look sick. This is a super cool look. So if you want to see these products in action, then my next video, I'm gonna do the next video just because, like, you know, this is a good look. I want to like savor it and make it into a nice tutorial. But the very next video will be this look, but for now I'm gonna just give you a little teaser. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll talk to you super soon. Bye.